Looking to master Oracle Database Administration? Join our comprehensive online training at v2it.com and take your database skills to the next level. Oracle databases power critical applications in top organizations worldwide. As a certified Oracle DBA, you'll unlock career opportunities with top salaries. In this training, you'll learn everything from installation and configuration to backup, recovery, and performance tuning. Gain hands-on expertise in user management, database security, and high availability solutions. Our hands-on approach ensures real-world practice. Learn through practical exercises, case studies, and expert-led sessions to become job-ready. Oracle DBAs are in high demand, with salaries ranging from 6 lakh rupees to 12 lakh 50,000 rupees per year. Top companies are actively hiring skilled database administrators. Our course also guides you toward Oracle certification, giving you the credentials to boost your career in IT. Ready to become an Oracle database administrator? Visit v2it.com and enroll now. Your career in database administration starts today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.